Today I'm going to show you how to install window shades from outside mount, motorized, battery operated motorized window shades. I'm going to show you the tools you need, drill, screws, and the brackets. So we're going to start with the first bracket. We're going to put the screw right here. We're going to mount the bracket right here. We're going to put the screw. One. We're going to put the second one right here, so it's matching. Then you're going to take the shades. The shades is going to clip right in like that. Make sure it's straight, and you snap it in, and that's it. You finish. Then take the remote control and you press the button. This window shade made by ShadeMonster. It comes with a beautiful head drill, nice finish, and it's very easy to operate. And the most important thing, it's a chargeable. Just like you charge your cell phone, you put the charger right here, you plug it in, you wait 20 minutes, and it's a fully charged. Thank you very much.